Alright guys, it's Better Built here. Stay tuned today. We're gonna go pick up I think it's an Isuzu truck, and we're gonna make a fire truck out of it somehow. Shit, what was I gonna say? Basically, it's out in the field, and we gotta make sure to not catch the field on fire when we're trying to start this thing. It's been sitting for a while. Got some batteries for it. We've got a vacuum to clean up some rat feces. Batteries, rat feces, jump pack, and we need to grab a fire extinguisher and then head out to this field and try to pick up this truck and bring it back here and kind of get a game plan on how we're going to build a fire truck. Alright guys, as soon as this light turns green, we're going to go to my buddy Ted's house and we're going to check out his truck. It's like an Isuzu cab over thing. It's got like a billiard sign, or not a billiard, it's like some sort of sign on the back for like advertisement. And then we're gonna try to get it running, get it off the property, get it to the shop, and hopefully get that sign off of there and grind everything down and kind of get a game plan for a fire truck. I don't know what his whole entire idea of it is, but he wants a Ramona fire truck. So I think it's somewhere around like 5,000 gallons on the back or whatever max weight we can put on there, and then a nice little pump to pump it all out, and then all boxes to secure everything. So that's gonna be like the goal of this whole entire build. So. And the point of this episode is going to be getting the truck to the shop and getting the sign off of it, and then we'll go from there to the next stage, building the fire truck. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Follow, subscribe, comment below on how we should build a fire truck. Alright guys, aside from the heifers, we have the soon-to-be water truck. Again, I still have no idea what it is. I think it's an Isuzu. Suzuki? Isuzu. I was told it runs.
It's not turning over, which is concerning.
Neutral. Put it in neutral.
Neutral start. Okay.
It's fucking running, and that buzzing noise is annoying. Oh, it's probably the air pressure. You gotta let air pressure build up in it.
There you go. Roll down this damn window. Oh, you don't roll down your window. Sorry. No window to roll.
Got the bowl lid. Make sure you doesn't.
Fucking around, huh? Don't be fucking around. You get whipped. Today we watched Jonathan get. Ooh, friendly.
He's got horns.
It's a woman.
She. Oh, it's a girl.
Yeah, she has tits.
Got milk.
It's a donkey. A little interaction. Where are you going? I'm going too. Let me put this piece of wood under it.
It's a bit stuck, I'd say.
Yeah. This.
We'll rock it out.
So you rock it out? Oh, there you go. Hi guys.
It'd be nice if the window just went down a little bit.
I know. What is that for?
See what the cap-
Let's see. We're clear here.
Check all the vitals before we drive off with it. Definitely no oil, my friend.
That's just
Dude, no oil. All right, so we're not driving it until we get oil in it, at very least. It's got coolant.
Yeah.
Coolant is good. Tried calling Ted. Tried calling Kate. No answer. But I know there's some stuff in that shed over there. We're just gonna pilfer through it and see if we can't find a couple quarts of oil at least, of anything, just to get it to the shop, and then we'll do an oil change there. There's no oil in here. I'd be surprised. Not seeing oil. Oh,
yeah, gray thing over there.
European car formula. That's 040. That ain't gonna work. Could drain oil out of this.
It looks like it's not working anyways.
Check that truck right there. It looks like a ranch truck. Might have some oil in it.
Oh my
We gotta go down there to that pole and check that truck somehow. Come on, this way.
You don't want to go head on?
Uh-uh.
You're chill, right? Right? You're cool, dude? Oh, you see any?
Empty. And this is full of I don't know what. Yeah, it's sealed, so I'm not gonna open it. Oh, what's this? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
530.
Is that good enough?
Yep.
All right.
This will get us home, baby.
This one already, the one on the left.
Not this one.
This one, we met this guy. We're chill. With this guy?
What's up, Ruben?
Yeah, why you all side-eyeing us?
Yeah,
What's up with you, bro? What's up with you?
Alex.
Oh.
Alright, got a phone. Hello, door. Right into that.
That's a brand new bottle, huh?
A brand new bottle of like 10 years ago.
It's microplastics. It's okay.
Ooh, that exhaust is really hot. Why is my arm on it? Should be a couple quarts right there. Let's see where we're at. Still nothing on the dipstick. 2.5 quarts.
Cameraman has to pee.
Pretty sure he's gonna eat all of this.
Probably had none.
Oh, now we're full.
Full?
Full. What the frick am I gonna do? I'm just gonna pour the rest of it in there.
Really?
It's only a quart.
That is more than a quart.
That is more than a quart. We're a little over full now. Can you do me a favor and adjust that mirror over there? And this one.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got the fire truck back here. Surprised it made it this far. Tires were a little low. Definitely couldn't go over 45 miles an hour without the thing trying to drive itself off the road. Not only that, there was so much soot just flying around the cab there because the windows don't go down. That like I was trying to not breathe the whole time because it's all just rat feces and stuff. So trying to not sneeze for 1, 2, not breathing, and 3, just sketchy all the way around. Not only that, the wind was trying to like push his truck off the road
I
too.
would see you turning and like trying to turn this way, and it's just pushing you.
Driving with the wind was fine. Driving this way against the wind was like just like trying to counteract it. The tire was low and super sketchy. Couldn't see out the window too when it was like direct sunlight at it, so I couldn't see anything. Going around a turn, there was like a tree and there was like a shadow. I was like I could see it, and then the sun came and then it hit it, and then I couldn't see.
Damn.
This tire's flat too. So the first line of attack is to get that box off of this bed and get it to the scrapyard, and then grind everything down, make it super flat. An oil change, probably fluid changes, fill it up full of diesel. Doing a good job. Good job. Are you done yet? Oh no, not the diamond tip blade. Damn it. This don't work? Oh, she wobbles. I didn't even think about all the welds all the way down. I can't believe this thing just went flying. Good job, guys. Good work. Yeah, you're right. No Mita.